Hello everyone, welcome to YCfee. Today, let's explore how Americans harvest and process tons of onions every year using some of the world's most advanced technologies and equipment. Hey folks, did you know that the United States produces a massive amount of onions every year? Over 93 million tons. That's incredible, right? And to meet this enormous demand, the scale of onion production in the US is equally impressive. These vast onion fields are just a small part of the gigantic onion production landscape in America. But what's truly special is that despite this enormous scale, Americans still harvest and process these onions using the most advanced technologies. So, what's the secret behind the massive productivity and exceptional quality of American onions? Let's uncover the journey of these onions, from vast fields to the dining tables of millions of consumers worldwide. The first secret to achieving large, beautiful American onions lies in the modern cultivation process. Let's take a closer look at the development journey of these tiny seeds through the following stages. American farmers use advanced machinery to plant seeds, ensuring precision and proper planting density. This results in high germination rates and uniform growth of the onion plants. The onions are carefully nurtured with modern irrigation systems, proper fertilization, and effective pest control measures. As a result, the onion plants grow healthy and produce high yields. When harvest season arrives, these massive onion harvesters come into play. With just one pass, they can uproot, clean, and collect onions quickly and efficiently. This not only saves labor, but also minimizes losses and ensures the onions remain fresh. After harvesting, the onions are swiftly transported to processing plants to maintain their freshness. At the plant, the onions are thoroughly washed to remove any remaining dirt. Next, they are dried and sorted using advanced machinery. These machines, equipped with cutting-edge technology, ensure that each onion meets the highest standards of hygiene and quality. Automated sorting separates any substandard onions, leaving only the best products for consumers. Finally, the onions are packed into mesh bags or vacuum-sealed bags, ensuring freshness and convenience for the user. Each bag undergoes stringent quality checks before reaching the consumer. The meticulous quality control process ensures that every onion product is safe and meets the strict food safety standards of the United States. Before we wrap up, let's highlight some of the outstanding benefits of American onions. First, their large size, delicious taste, and high quality are their main strengths. American onions are not only large and beautiful, but also have a sweet and mild flavor, making them perfect for a variety of dishes. These high-quality American onions contribute to tasty and nutritious meals. We can see them in many dishes, from salads and soups to stir-fries. With such outstanding qualities, there's no reason not to learn more about high-quality American onion products. We encourage you to try them and experience the difference American onions bring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it to spread knowledge about American agriculture and the quality of American onion products to more people. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any other exciting videos. See you in the next videos.